Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shaivya from Meraki. Okay, so last week, as always, I am ready with another bahana. I was not here, I was not in the town, it was a weekend, I was roaming around. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. So आज मैं वापस से बनाने जा रही हूँ एक और जूट का लैम्प. So this lamp can be basically used in two ways. हम इसको दो तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं. मैं दोनों यूजेज आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. So again, I got all my stuff from Dollar Tree. Cheapest lamp that you'll ever find, I'm telling you. So उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया है, जूट ट्वाइन्स ली हैं डॉलर ट्री से. I picked up the balloon वाला packet and I picked up this clear glue. So for this one you can use normal Fevicol or white glue as well, but I am preferring clear glue क्योंकि अगर ड्राई होने के बाद जब glue सूखेगा भी तो उस पर जो जूट ट्वाइन है उस पर अलग से दिखेगा नहीं, या you would not need to polish it or you don't need to find it out when it dries out ultimately. Okay, so heads up, it's a long project, as in it will take time to dry out. So I believe it might just take, you might want to leave it overnight, या at least minimum 6 to 7 hours आपको इसको छोड़ना पड़ेगा so that ये easily dry हो जाए. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start blowing up the balloons. I think थोड़ा और बड़ा बना लेते हैं इसे. Big enough? I think this is big enough. Okay, now the balloon is ready. Now we'll keep it aside for some time. Okay, just say like that. Or you might block the camera. Now what we need to do is pour in your glue. Oh. Ow, I just chipped off my nail. Nail paint actually, not the nail. Thank God. ओके, सो अब आप दो तरीके कर सकते हैं. या तो आप इसको पूरी ट्वाइन को डिप कर दें विद द ग्लू, और यू कैन जस्ट रिमूव द थ्रेड. सारा थ्रेड एक बार खोल के आप बॉक्स में डाल दें एंड देन आप उसके ऊपर क्लियर ग्लू डालें. तो मैं पूरा थ्रेड खोल रही हूँ बिकॉज ये इतना टाइटली बंद है कि आई डोंट थिंक कि इसे अगर मैं ग्लू में डुबो दूंगी तो अंदर तक ग्लू जाएगा. चांसेस हैं जा भी सकता है, बट आई वांट टू डू इट दिस वे. ठीक है, तो या तो याद रखें इसका जो एंड है, यू नीड टू सिक्योर इट, उसको बाहर रख सकते हैं. प्लस मैं इसमें एक सेट और डालूंगी. तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज ईदर आई कैन टाई द नॉट और यू कैन जस्ट लीव इट लाइक दैट. उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. नाउ सिंस ट्वाइन मैंने इस बॉक्स में रख दिया है, नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, आई टेक क्लियर ग्लू and equal part of water and equal part of clear glue and mix it in this bowl. Okay, you will add this liquid in the jute box. Okay, you'll dip the whole jute twine in it. Secure the end of the jute and keep dipping it. Oh, I just lost the end. Oh yeah, I found it. Okay. I would suggest using gloves, which I forgot to tell you in the beginning, because now you will be putting your hands in the glue, because that's what our ultimate project is. Oh, did I lose the end? Oh my god. No. Really? How dumb. The first thing is, this is the balloon that we're going to use, okay? What you need is a small base, so that if you are dripping any glue, it is inside that bada wala vase. Plus, you can put on newspapers at the bottom, or you can do it on the floor that you want. But since I'm doing it on the table, I am using newspapers. And I'm leaving some gap here. I won't be wrapping the jute all around it, so I'm leaving some gap, and you can use any bowl that you have at home, and with the help of a Sharpie you can mark. Okay, oh wait up. Okay, okay, so this circle I'm not going to wrap jute around it. इसके चारों तरफ मैं jute नहीं wrap करूँगी. I'm going to use this portion of it. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, there's a suggestion. So take the ball and stick it. Okay, do it like this. So that the balloon doesn't move. Okay, it stays in place. Oh, sorry. Okay, now I am hoping that balloon will not move from the place. Now you take your jute, the loose end, and start wrapping jute around it. Do not worry at all if the jute twine इसके जो हमने circle बनाया है उसके चारों तरफ उसको cross कर जाती है. That's not a problem at all. We might just go for the smaller circle. This is only for the area that you might need to insert your bulb, or you might just need to use it for sitting it down. Okay, so do not worry at all अगर jute twine इसके पास से भी जाती है. That can be fixed later too. Okay, now the only work that you have to do, just keep on rotating it. Yes, as I told you, it is a lengthy process and it is a little messier process. So the only suggestion that I would give you is don't forget to wear your gloves. Just keep on rotating and do not worry about these loose ends. These things can be taken care of in the end. Once it is dry, you can just use the scissors and take them off. Okay, so do not worry at all. Okay, this is done. Now since both the jute twines अब इस पे आ चुकी हैं, if you want you can still go ahead and add more twine if you feel कि नहीं थोड़ा कम है, twine कम लग रहा है, or you can add more twine. But I am happy with it. Okay, अब क्या करना है, take a waste bowl, put this inside it, and now is the time to wait. Now what you do is, whatever left glue and water mixture that you have, just pour it on the top. Okay, very slowly with a feather light hand, just leave it. Okay, now what you need to do is leave it for about, I think, minimum 6 hours, or if you want you can leave it overnight. I am planning to leave it overnight, so let's just leave it for some time, for some hours, and continue rest of the work. Okay, so it's been 24 hours, or around about 24 hours, and now it's totally dry, it's hard. Now is the time to finally poke the hole in the balloon and see the final result, whether it is a pass or it's a failed attempt. Turn it down and remove the sellotapes that you attached initially to the box. Now okay, one step at a time. So सबसे पहले I'm going to try using a safety pin poking a hole, if it works. I'm scared. I don't know why. So no, I just poked the hole and it has started to come down slowly, steadily. No, I don't want it to be a failed attempt. Ooh. Looks good, yeah? It's not a failed attempt. It's a nice attempt. Okay, so this is how it looks from the bottom. Initially, जैसे ही balloon फोड़ा था तो ये वाला portion जो है ये अंदर घुसने लगा था. But don't worry, this is now loose. ये अपने आप बाहर आ जाएगा. Or you can use your hand तो इसे थोड़ा सा ऐसे you can pull it out. And once the balloon starts losing the air, ये धीरे धीरे अपनी उसी ही shape को retain करेगा and it will stay like that. Now comes the part where I said that मैं नीचे वाला area black खाली रखूँगी. तो ये वाला area खाली है. I am sure कि वो वाला area हमने सर्कल इतना बड़ा रखा था उससे बड़ा नहीं रहा, उससे छोटा रहा, but that's fine, that's absolutely fine. I basically wanted this place to insert a bulb through it. And if you want, you can still remove some of the edges. Fevicol के जो extra parts रह गया है यहाँ पे, okay, I'll show you पास से. So if you see, there are some small edges like this one. If you see, this is an extra piece of Fevicol that's out here. This one's an extra small portion. So this one, see. So this, if you want, you can remove, but I believe this is fine. It looks good, even if when you're going to hang it or you're going to keep it. ये इतना easily visible नहीं होगा, but still, if you want, you can go and just trim off these edges. Okay. So this is the extension cord for the lantern that I picked up from Amazon. मैं इसका link अपने description box में नीचे डालूंगी from where I buy it. And इसके साथ एक switch on and off button आता है जो कि बहुत cool है, and it is easy to reach. So now what I need to do is यहाँ से इसको अंदर डाल के and take it out from one small hole that you have here. Okay. Oh, come on, and then it's easy. So I'm using these two cup hooks that I picked up from Amazon again, and it comes in this box which has multiple sizes from very small to the larger ones. Here on this wall, wow. This looks so cool. Okay, so this is one of the usage, and the second usage I'll show you right away. Take up whatever you have, the Christmas lights, and put it inside it. Let it sit on the top of some wooden thing, or you can just directly lay it on the table and switch it on.